Hello everyone. In computer networks, we will face different network problems at the different stages. Today we will be discussing about what are those types of network problems. First one, the transmission error. Second one, data packet loss. Third one, network latency. Fourth one, configuration errors. Let's discuss in detail about what are these errors. If you're watching this for the first time, like and subscribe. Coming for transmission error. Transmission error occurs only during the transmission phase. It occurs due to various reasons like electromagnetic interference or interrupted signal or faulty hardware, which leads to loss of data or corrupted data packets. This type of error transmission is known as transmission error. Second one, data packet loss. So the data packet loss is a type of error in computer networks where one or more data packets fail to reach the destination during the transmission. Here the packet loss occurs when the data packets are dropped or corrupted while traveling from sender to receiver. The effects of packet loss are retransmission, reduced performance and increased latency, and audio video glitches and data inconsistency in unreliable protocols. For example, if we send 100 packets from source and the receiver will receive only 95 packets, then the remaining 5 packets lost indicates the packet loss. Network latency. The time delay taken from a data packet to travel from source to destination is called network latency. The network latency is the delay between sending data packet and successfully receiving at the receiver side over a computer network. The causes of network delay are one, propagation delay. The distance data must be traveled. Second one is transmission delay, the time taken to push the data into a network. Third one is processing delay, which means routing or switches examining the packet headers. Fourth one is querying delay. This is the watch time due to network congestion. The effects of network latency are: first one, web page loading. The buffering we will face while loading of web pages, and lag in live streaming, and delay in voice calls, poor performance. If a packet takes 100 milliseconds to travel from source to destination, then the network latency will be said to be 100 milliseconds. The fourth one is configuration errors. The network errors occur due to incorrect setup or misconfiguration of network devices or softwares is known as configuration errors. The cause of configuration errors are: first one, incorrect IP or duplicate IP address. Second one is wrong DNS or wrong routing configuration. Third one, incorrect protocol settings. And fourth, misconfigured firewalls. The effects of configuration errors are poor network performance, loss of connectivity, data loss or data corruption, and application failures like email or the live streaming applications which we use or will not work properly. Thanks for watching.